Welcome to Math Talk number 10. Please write Effect Family for 9, 8, and 17. Pause and solve. All right, this is what you should have had. 9 plus 8 is 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. And 17 minus 9 is 8. Let's compare these two fractions. Is 4/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/6? Pause and put your answer. 4/6 is greater than 1/6. For example, if you had a pizza cut up into 6 pieces and you ate 4 out of the 6 pieces, you've had a lot. You've had way more than the person who had 1 piece out of 6 pieces. Okay, guys, you started work at 11:45 and you ended work at 12:15. How many minutes did you work? So below here, I'm going to show you a way to do this in your head. The first thing that you can do is go, okay, I started at 11:45. I started at the 9. And since I know that these are in 15-minute intervals, when I talk about 15-minute intervals, I'm talking about 15, 30, 45, and 60 or a clock, right? Oh, I'm sorry. So those are what those 15-minute intervals are. So I know that that is one of the 15-minute intervals, and that's one of the 15-minute intervals. So if I go from here to here, I know that that's a 15. And then if I go to here, which is the 15, this is o'clock, this is 15, that's 30. Okay, if I go from here to here, it's 15 minutes. If I go from here to here, it's 15 minutes. So if I have 15 minutes plus 15 minutes, how much time has passed? Well, 15 plus, and I'm trying to write upside down here, 15 plus 15 is 30. So 30 minutes have passed. You have 16 bananas. You ate some and you have 13 left. What's the missing number here? Okay, guys, so we start at 16 and we go backwards till we get to 13. This is a number line. This is what I'm calling a number line. Okay, put my arrows on it like we're supposed to. Okay, so if I go from 16 and I go back 1, 2, 3. I go back 3. And if I put it right here, I can test it. I can go 16, 15, 14, 13. And I know that's what I get. Can you write this number in word form? Pause and solve. I hope you wrote 4,000, just like that. Anne ate 3 ears of corn, Sam ate 6, and Sally and Fred each had 1. How many did they eat all together? Pause and solve. So Anne ate 3. I know Sam had 6. So I know I have 3 plus 6. Sally ate 1. And Fred had 1. I know that because it says they each had 1. So Sally had 1 and Fred had 1. So if we add them all together, we go 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Plus another 1 is 11. Because 9 plus 2 equals 11. So how many ears of corn did they eat all together? 11 ears. I'm going to circle my answer to make it clear because my workspace is pretty full. Let's do a subtraction problem. 908 minus 499. Pause and solve. This is what it should have looked like. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Your difference should have been 409. How much money do I have? If I have 1 quarter, 3 dimes, and $1. Pause and solve. The best way to do this is to first put them in order by amount. So you're going to want to do your dollar first because it has the most value. The second best or the second highest value is your 25, and then your next one are your 3. Oh, I said 3 dimes, didn't I? Sorry. 10, 10, and 10. Silly me. Okay, so you're going to want to put them in order from largest to smallest coin, and then you're going to want to add them that way. So now we're at 125. 25 plus 10 is 35. Let me put my 1 here, my dollar sign. So we're at 135. 45. And 55 plus 10 more cents. Oh, you can't even see that. Sorry. All right, so your total is $1.55. The struggle was real on that one.